Welcome to Life with Zoya. Well, are you here for the party, honey, or here for the tea? Well, I'm pretty sure you came for the tea. Well, let me tell you what my channel has to offer: personal growth, entrepreneurship, making money, and dating tips. Well, today we're going to be talking about what I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel. And you want to watch the whole episode because I guarantee a lot of people are not telling you this. So I'm going to tell you what I've learned in my journey. I'm a small YouTuber, and I realize a lot of stuff big YouTubers have told us is not true. And when I mean this is not true, I know it's not true because all of the tips and tricks they have told me is false. And I know other people with YouTube channels and the same thing has happened to them. So before you start this, I want to tell you what to do and what not to do. Well, first off, if you're thinking you're going to get rich off starting a YouTube channel right away, you might as well not even do it. Being a content creator and coming up with informative information for your subscribers multiple times a week is a very challenging job. Having a YouTube channel is very challenging, but it's also very rewarding because you're helping people. And a lot of people do want to know about your life, what you know, and what you can share. So if you're doing it for that reason, then I advise you to do it. Another thing is, I want you guys to stop thinking that just because you have a big social media presence, you're going to be monetized in a month. You're going to be monetized in a week or whatever. It's false. There are several YouTubers that are still not monetized. I went to their Instagram page. They have 50,000 followers. They started their YouTube 6 months ago. They're still not monetized. They don't even have 1,000 subscribers and not even the watch time. So that can tell you it has nothing to do with your social media. I hate when YouTubers put everything on your social media. What if you're like me? I just started an Instagram when I started my YouTube channel a month ago. I don't have a lot of subscribers. I don't want to do Twitter. And I'm not going to be on TikTok like, what's up? I'm too old for that. So let's be realistic. I have to do what makes me feel comfortable. So starting an Instagram was something I was interested in because I'm able to reach out to people in my niche. My niche is really no niche. So let me tell you about that. A lot of YouTubers say, choose your niche. Well, honey, let me tell you this. When you are a small YouTuber, you need to cater to your subscribers. What if somebody says, hey, I really don't like that video, and they're really the only one watching your video? Are you going to do more videos that they don't like, or are you going to do something that they really enjoy? I don't have a niche right now, you guys. I'm doing what I think is relevant and what people want to hear. So I advise you to research a subject that a lot of big YouTubers are actually not doing so you can do it yourself. Okay? Mind you, don't put yourself in one category because if you do, you're only going to be getting put out for that one category. I have chose no category on my YouTube channel. Another thing is I want to tell you, the first 2 hours are the most important hours of your subscribers, your family, or whoever is to watch your video. This lets YouTube know if people are liking your video. You got that right. The first 2 hours. All the other hours really don't matter. The first 2 hours are the most important. So if you have friends and family that are supporting you, let them know, hey, can you guys watch my videos around these first 2 hours? And actually send them the link personally. Don't put it on your IG, which you can't even do that unless you have 10,000 subscribers, might I add, or your Twitter. Give it to people personally on their phone. That's what I have done. Another thing is, I want you guys to realize that this is going to take time. Nothing in life worth having is easy. Yeah, I took it back from what our mom and dads used to tell us, and it's so true. I enjoy making the content for my subscribers, even though I'm a small YouTuber, but I really feel that I'm giving them value and stuff they might really want to know about, whether it's dating, personal growth, or business tips and tricks. So do something like that. Make sure it's relevant and make sure it's good quality. No, I'm not a professional editor, so sometimes I do make mistakes in my videos, but the lighting is great. Prime example, I have my window shades open so you guys can clearly see me. Also, another thing is, before starting a YouTube channel, get an affordable tripod. I haven't put that down in my link yet, but get an affordable tripod. They're about $20. This is going to do wonders in your life. Exactly. The next thing is that I want you guys to do is stop doing sub for sub. On the YouTube platform, it is highly illegal to do that. I have seen people, no lie, have gotten the subscribers because another big YouTuber on a different platform has said, everybody subscribe to everybody. He shouldn't be promoting that. And I'm not going to say their name, but they should not be promoting things that YouTube does not approve of. If you want to get subscribers, let me tell you how I did it and what really works. I have written down these words and I have put this on several people's channels, and a lot of people have watched my content, comment, and even some of them have subscribed. Great content as always. Who has started a YouTube channel like me in 2020? Write that down. That is golden. I'm telling you, write that down, post that, and you're going to see growth immediately. So I have shared all my tips during my YouTube journey. I want you guys to actually tell me how your journey is going, whether you're a big YouTuber, a small YouTuber, or a medium YouTuber. Tell me how it is on your journey and what you're doing to actually gain subscribers and watch time. And I also wanted to tell you one more thing before I go. Stop worrying about subscribers. Let me tell you this. Subscribers come and go. I want subscribers that really enjoy my content and want to watch me as a person, want to get to know from me as a person. So last night, before I had this idea of recording this video, I did something. And let me tell you guys, this was the most informative information I've done ever. So I'm pretty sure we all have heard of Kelly Stamps. If you haven't, you got to check her out. She makes great content. She's extremely funny. And another one is Cristina Vega. She has a day in the life of a stripper. Their content, they both have, Kelly Stamps has about 360,000 subscribers. Cristina has about 1.5 million. But let me tell you something about them. Every time they put out content, people go to their stuff. They are watching it. They are giving value. People are commenting. People are liking. That is highly important. I have went to other YouTubers, and guess what? They have 2 million subscribers, but only 1,000 people are watching their video in 3 days. That shows you that whatever they're promoting is not giving people value, and people do not like it. So what kind of YouTuber do you want to be? Don't you want to be like Kelly Stamps and Cristina Vega? Or do you want to be like these other people where they're not getting actually the watch time for their videos? Because the more watch time you have, that's how you're going to be able to make the money. I advise you to check out both of those YouTubers so you can see what I'm talking about. Well, that has come to a conclusion today. I just want to thank you for supporting me, and I also want to let you know that we're on this journey together. We're going to learn a lot from each other. So I want you to comment, like, hit the ding ding, and subscribe. Bye bye. Au revoir.